Hi! In this demo, we'll get set up with a new 2D game project in Unity. Then, we'll take a C# script and import it into our Unity project to test it out using the console. We're going to start a new project, so let's open up Unity Hub. Make sure you're in the Projects tab on the left, then select New Project. This is going to be a 2D project, so we'll select the Universal 2D option. The project name for this project will be 2D Game, then a dash, and then your name at the end. Once your project name is set, we'll click Create Project. This will open up a new project in Unity. Now that our project is created, let's grab the C# script from our assignment in the CodeHS editor. Here in our CodeHS assignment, we have a script called consoledebug.cs. An important aspect of Unity is that the script's file name and the name of the class within the script always match exactly. We can see that the file name is consoledebug, and the class name is also consoledebug, so we're all set there. Let's quickly review what this script contains. We can see inside our start function we have a debug.log statement, and the update function is empty. Let's leave these both as is for now, and download the script by going to More, Download, then Download Code as zip file. Once your download is finished, remember to unzip the file. Back in our 2D game Unity project, let's add a new folder to keep all our scripts in, just to keep our project organized. I'm going to right-click in the Project Assets folder, then Create, Folder, and we'll name this new folder Scripts. Once we've unzipped the consoledebug.cs file that we downloaded from the CodeHS assignment, we can grab it and drag it into the Scripts folder in our project window to import it into our project. Remember that whenever you import anything into Unity, you may need to wait for the project to recompile before you can use what you imported. Once that's done, let's take that script and attach it to a game object. Scripts, for the most part, will not execute their code unless they have been attached to a game object within the current scene. Whenever we create a new 2D scene, we have these two game objects here, Main Camera and Global Light 2D. Let's attach our new script to the existing Main Camera game object by dragging it into the bottom of its list of components in the inspector. Before we play our game, let's switch to the Console tab attached to the project window. This is where that debug.log command we saw in the start function will be printed. Now, let's run our game. And you'll see that it has printed Hello Game World, just like our script said in the debug.log command. It'll also print down here at the bottom in this sort of mini console. When you're finished testing, make sure to select the play button again to exit play mode. Now it's your turn. Go back to the CodeHS assignment, make some tweaks to the script, re-download it, and test it out again in your Unity project. Remember when you're testing to open up the Console tab in the project window. Good luck!